Good day to everyone. So for today's topic, it's all about graph of quadratic function. So first, identify the most essential learning competency. The learner graphs a quadratic function and determines its vertex, axis of symmetry, domain and range, intercept, and the direction of the opening of the graph. So ito muna i-discuss natin. Number 1, sketch the graph of a quadratic function. Number 2, identify the vertex and the axis of symmetry. Okay, example number 1. So sketch the graph of y is equal to x squared plus 4x plus 3. Then identify the vertex and the axis of symmetry. So to solve, identify the values of a. Let's say a, b, and c. So we have a is equal to 1, b is equal to 4, c is equal to 3. Solve the vertex by substituting the values in the formula in h and k. So for h, ito yung formula natin. So substitute lang natin yung value ng b tsaka ng a. So ito yung b natin tsaka a. So negative 4 divided by 2 times 1. So it becomes negative 4 divided by 2. Then simplify natin to. Magiging negative 2. So ito na yung value ng h. How about the k? So substitute lang natin lahat itong values ng a, b, and c. Okay, then simplify natin 4 times 1 times 3. So that is 12. Then minus 16 divided by 4. 12 minus 16. So negative 4. Divided by 4, it becomes negative 1. So therefore, the vertex is negative 2 and negative 1. So gagawa tayo ng table of values. So take note that all we need is to pick up the value of x coordinate which is equidistant from the vertex. So ang vertex natin ito. Okay, so dapat pareho sila dito ng points. So mas mababa sa negative 2, mas mataas sa negative 2. So negative 1, 0, and so on. Okay, so to solve for the value of y, so let x is equal to negative 4. So using the original equation, substitute lang natin yung value ng x into negative 4. Okay, lahat na substitute natin. Then simplify natin to. Negative 4 times negative 4 becomes 16. 4 times negative 4, negative 16 plus 3. Then, ito magiging 0 na yan. So, y is equal to 3. So, values natin dito ay 3. Okay, next solution natin. What is the value of y if x is equal to negative 3? So, again, using original equation, substitute the value of x into negative 3. Then, simplify. Okay, negative 3 times negative 3, 9 minus 12 plus 3. 9 minus 12, that is negative 3 plus 3. So since they are unlike signs, so all you have to do is to subtract. It becomes 0. Okay, becomes 0. How about if x is equal to negative 1? So substitute again the value of x into negative 1. The negative 1 times negative 1 is positive 1, negative 4, and positive 3. So 1 minus 4, negative 3 plus 3 is equal to 0. Okay, so 0 na natin to. How about 0? Ibig sabihin, so lahat na yan. Di ba? 0, 0 na yan. Okay, so 0 times 0, so 0. So matitira lang ay yung values of 3. Okay, so then igagraph na natin yan. So pero tayo pwedeng gamitin itong GeoGebra or yung Desmos. So gagamitin natin itong GeoGebra. Okay, so click lang natin yung link. So mapupunta tayo dun sa pinaka-website niya. Okay, start natin. Okay, so remember yung table of values natin. Ito, so if x is negative 4, so 3, negative 3 is 0, if negative 2, negative 1, and then so plot na tayo ng points. So plotting of points. So point, so first coordinate natin, if x is negative 4, ang sagot natin ay 3. Ayan. So kapag negative 3 daw, 0. Kapag negative 2, negative 1. If x is negative 1, the value of y is 0. And if it is x is 0, the value of y is 3. And then, i-connect na natin yan. So, connect. So, more. Hanapin natin yung line. Itong freehand shape. Okay. So, graph natin to from A. Connect natin sa B. C. Then, going upward. Okay. So, ayan ang kanyang graph. So, as you can see, ito going siyang upward. Yan ang magiging graph niya. Back to your PowerPoint. So, pwede nyo gamitin yung Desmos. So, on Desmos.com, so ganito rin naman siya, graphing calculator. So, all you have to do is to plot the points. So, let's say, table of values. Itong table. So, ano yung mga value of x natin? So, -4, -3, -2, -1, and sorry, ito ay -1, 0. Okay, and then the value of y. So, automatic magpo-point na yan sila dito. So, kapag yung -4, ito ay 3. So, ito na yung makikita mo, ito na yung pinaka-point. Next, kapag -3, 0. Kapag -2, the value of y is -1, 0, and 3. Okay, so, as you can see, ito na ang kanyang graph. So, na-plot na natin. So, ito na ang kanyang magiging graph. So, identify natin dito yung vertex. So, alin ba dito yung vertex? So, ito yung vertex. Ito, ang tawag natin dito ay vertex. So, ano ba ang ibig sabihin ng vertex? Vertex is the turning point of the parabola or the lowest or the highest point of a parabola. So, ito yung pinaka-vertex natin. Ito yung vertex niya. So, coordinate na ito is -2 and -1. Okay, next. Itong line naman na to, ito yung naghahati sa parabola. Ang tawag natin dito is axis of symmetry or the line of symmetry. Ano bang ibig sabihin ng line of symmetry or axis of symmetry? A. So, it is the vertical line passes through the vertex. So, ito yung vertical passes through, dumaan sa pinakagitna na parabola. Or the vertical line through the vertex that divides the parabola into two equal parts. So, equal, so identical sila. Ito ang tinatawag natin na axis of symmetry. Ano bang axis of symmetry natin dito? So, axis of symmetry is x is equal to h. Ano bang h natin? Diba ito yung vertex, so h and k. So, ang h natin is -2. So, ang axis of symmetry ay -2. Okay, so ganyan po ang magpa-plot ng points sa Cartesian planes and pag-identify ng vertex and the axis of symmetry. Okay, example number 2. So, sketch the graph of y is equal to -2x squared plus 4x plus 6. Then, identify the vertex and axis of symmetry. Identify the values of a, b, and c. So, we have, so, ang a natin -2, ang b natin ay 4, and c natin ay 6. Solve the vertex by substituting the values in the formula. So, ito yung formula. Substitute natin yung h, yung a and b. So, ang h natin ay positive 1. So, -4 divided by -4 is positive 1. How about the k? So, ito na. Substitute natin. So, 4 times -2 times 6. So, -48 minus 16 divided by -8. So, since they are like sign, we have to do this to add. So, -8 divided by, -64 divided by -8. So, since they are like sign, kapag dinivide mo, magiging positive 8. So, therefore, the vertex is 1 and 8. Okay, ganun pa rin. Gagawa tayo ng table of values. So, ang vertex natin nasa gitna. So, kuha natin ng 5 points. So, to solve, so when x is equal to -1, so ito yung original equation natin. Substitute lang natin yan lahat ng values of x into -1. So, -2, ito magiging positive 2 times -2. Then, -4 times -1, -4, then copy natin yung 6. It becomes -2 minus 6 plus 4 is equal to, so -2 minus 4, so -6 plus 6, so 0. So, value natin dito ay 0. How about x is equal to 0. So, automatic yan na ito. Pag pinag-multiply mo, magiging 0 na yan. So, natitira lang yung 6. Ito. And the next point is value of x is 2. So, substitute natin value of x into 2. 2 times 2 is 4. And then, ganoon din ito. 4 times 2 is 8 plus 6. Then, simplify natin to negative 8 plus 6 plus 6, plus 8 plus 6. So, ito magiging 0. So, matira lang yung 6. Ayan na. And then, how about the value of x into 3? So, papalitan natin to. So, 3 times 3 magiging 9. And then, ito naman 4 times 3 is equal to 12. Copy natin yung 6. Then, multiply 9 times negative 2. Negative 18. So, inad ko na to. So, 18. So, automatic, the answer is 0. Okay? So, using a GeoGebra. So, open ulit natin yan. First point, if x is negative 1, ang sagot natin ay 0. Kapag 0 daw, ang value ng x, ang sagot natin sa y ay 6. Kapag 1, ang sagot natin ay 8. Kapag 2, sagot natin ay 6. Kapag value ng 3 natin ay 0. Okay, then, connect the dots. Freehand shape. Ulitin ko, graph natin, going upward. And then, sorry sa graph natin na. Okay, so ayan ang kanyang graph. So, naging okay naman siya. So, okay, see, going downward ang graph natin. Okay, balik tayo sa PowerPoint. Okay, next. Ito na ang kanyang graph. So, ano bang vertex natin dito? Ang vertex natin ito. Ano bang coordinate niyan? 1 and 8. So, ito ang vertex natin. The coordinate is 1 and 8. So, kapag hinati mo yan, so, saan ba dadaan yung line? So, pag hinati mo ito, so, ito yung axis of symmetry natin. So, dito siya dumaan. So, axis of symmetry, so yung x natin ay positive 1. Okay, ganun lang po pagsusolve at pag-identify ng vertex and the axis of symmetry. Okay, so ito yung ginamit kong website sa pag-graph. So, yung bestmos.com or the GeoGebra. And again, thank you